Dear all, welcome back to VJ Tech Talks. Last session, we learned about Medallion architecture. I recommend you to watch my previous videos. Project scenario. Your technical lead or client, internal or external, has asked you to build and implement a data solution using Microsoft Fabric. The goal is to create a reliable data pipeline that gathers data from different sources, including Excel files and SQL Server databases. This process should follow the Medallion architecture and update an existing Power BI report that refreshes daily in Fabric. Additionally, an alert should be set up to notify users if there is an issue with the refresh. Current situation. Let's assume the client is using Power Query or some other tool to load data from Excel sheets. They now want to add new data from the AdventureWorks SQL Server while keeping the same structure for their sales reports. The solution should integrate multiple data sources and ensure all updates happen within Fabric data processing. Clean, filter, and integrate the data using Medallion architecture. Load processed data into Power BI reports for daily refresh. Ensure efficiency and easy access to data. Automate and monitor the data pipeline for errors. Improve the speed and reliability of the data refresh process. Provide different teams with access to different levels of data aggregation. Solution architecture. The solution is designed to be simple and automated. Dataflow Gen 2 will read data from AdventureWorks and Excel files. The data will be stored in the lakehouse, cleaned, and merged into the Silver Data Warehouse. Necessary aggregations will be created in the Gold Data Warehouse. Data will be pushed to a semantic model which will feed the sales reports. A pipeline will automate the process, running daily at a specific time. Alerts will notify users if there is an error in the semantic model refresh. Access will be granted based on data granularity levels for different teams. That concludes today's episode. In the next session, we will look into how we are reading the Excel file and build the data models in Power BI. And what are the sheets we're referring for this project? Stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!